Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to add a YouTrip card to Apple Wallet. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to add your YouTrip card to Apple Wallet, before you start, make sure your YouTrip card is activated and you're signed in into your YouTrip application and you're using an iPhone with Apple Pay supported and your iPhone is signed into iCloud. Now the method 1 that you can use is add via the YouTube app. So simply head over and open up your YouTube application, then be sure to be logged into your account. Then once logged into your account, what you need to do here is tap on the cards icon on the bottom of your screen and then select a YouTube card. Then once you select it, you'll find an option that says add to Apple Wallet. Simply tap on that and now follow the on-screen steps by reviewing card details, authenticating with Face ID, Touch ID or passcode, and then once that's done, your YouTube card is now in the Apple Wallet. Now method 2 is add via Apple Wallet app. Simply head over back and open up your Apple Wallet. And then once you're inside there, what you need to do is tap on the plus icon on the top of your screen and then select add card. Now choose debit or credit card, then select add a different card. Now here what you need to do is select add a different card and enter your YouTube card details like card number, expiry date, CVV, and once that's done, simply complete verification by SMS or app approval and your YouTube card will be added to your Apple Wallet. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.